Welcome back, LB family and friends. So now we're going to do another activity. We're going to be making ladybug apples. I figure since it's springtime now and it's starting to get a lot nicer outside, bugs are starting to evaporate out of the ground again, especially ladybugs. So I thought, why not the kids make their own ladybugs and they can eat them as a snack. So today I'm going to show you how to make your own ladybug caterpillars. Now kids, I advise you to do this with your friend, your parents, so you'll be a lot safer. So what you need for this activity is 1 apple. Any apple is optional. Granny Smith, Gala, and then Gala, it doesn't matter. For me, I'm using my favorite apple, Honey Crisp. Very sweet and very good. Now, kids, make sure you get your parents to help you on this, because you cannot touch this utensil. You have to use a knife in order to slice out the seeds. So you want to cut them out. If your parents cut them out, or you can watch them as they do it, or they can help you, but it's easier if the parents do it. Cut out the seeds, place them to the side. Now once your seeds are out, you take an apple slice, you slice that in half. What you want to do, like I'm doing, slice it in half. Just make a little triangle in the center of the apple. And then, once you have that triangle, pull it out. So the back of a ladybug, when it flies, its wings spread open like this. Or you can do it however you wish. It's your own ladybug. Do it how you like, how you want to cut it out. Now, the next thing we're going to do, I'm going to take my favorite hazelnut spread. Now, it's optional. I know a lot of you have peanut and tree nut allergies, so it's optional. It's optional. You can use whatever you want: sunflower butter, peanut butter, almond butter, cottage cheese, or Nutella, or sour cream. It's your choice. Me personally, I'm using hazelnut spread because I'm not a really big fan of peanut butter myself, or almond butter. Now, what you want to do, you can either take a spoon or a toothpick. Take a little dab, spin, dig it around, take a little dab, and place it around, these little dots around your ladybug. As many as you like. Ladybugs have a lot of dots on their back. Make sure you want to space them out so you can add what you're going to add. No rush, take your time. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay. Now the next thing you can add to your ladybug are the dots. I'm going to use my favorite sun-dried cranberries. You can use cranberries, you can use raisins, you can use blueberries, or anything optional. Grapes or dried fruit, however you want it. Me, I'm using dried cranberries. I'm not a big fan of raisins, but if you have raisins, that's cool. You can use them. You're gonna place your raisins or cranberries or whatever you have on the spots where you placed your sunflower butter, almond butter, Nutella, etc. Because that's where the dots are going to be. No rush. Take your time. This is looking really good. And no harm, if it doesn't stick, just add some more. Spread to your ladybug. And voila! Now, the final thing to do, and parents, I recommend you do this because your kids can't touch sharp objects without adult supervision. To add the stencils, you're going to need 2 pretzel sticks. They don't have to be big. You can cut them up however you want. You're going to want to take the knife or a toothpick and make a little hole in the top, in the front center of the apple, of the ladybug. 2 little holes, just to make a little hole. See? Now the last thing you're gonna do, which is really easy, you take your pretzel stick, you're gonna stick it in there. And there you have it, your very own ladybug apples. Now all you have to do is to eat it. So good. That was delicious. I recommend this as a morning snack or afternoon snack, and in between, however you choose. I really had fun making these activities with you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I encourage you guys to make these at home as well. I'll be back next time to show you how to make another fun activity. Till then, be safe, and I wish you all well, LB and friends. Have a good day.